Number 10. Atrium Flora. Located in the Vinohrady district, Atrium Flora offers a blend of shopping and entertainment across its 4 floors. With over 120 shops, including international brands like H&M and Marks & Spencer, as well as a multiplex cinema, it's a convenient spot for both shopping and leisure activities. Number 9. Metropole Zlíčan. Situated near the Zlíčan metro station, Metropole Zlíčan is a spacious mall housing a variety of fashion retailers, electronic stores, and dining options. Its proximity to the metro makes it easily accessible for shoppers looking for a comprehensive retail experience. Number 8. Centrum Černý Most. As one of Prague's largest shopping centers, Centrum Černý Most features a wide array of shops, from fashion boutiques to electronics retailers. The mall also offers a cinema and numerous dining options, making it a popular destination for a full day of shopping and entertainment. Number 7. Gallery Harfa. Located near the O2 Arena, Gallery Harfa is a modern shopping center offering a variety of retail stores, restaurants, and entertainment facilities. Its unique rooftop ice rink and dinosaur park add a distinctive touch to the shopping experience. Number 6. Novi Smíchov Shopping Center. Situated in the Smíchov district, Novi Smíchov is a modern shopping mall featuring a wide range of retailers, including fashion outlets, electronic stores, and a large hypermarket. The center also houses a multiplex cinema and numerous eateries, making it a popular spot for both shopping and entertainment. Number 5. Fashion Arena Prague Outlet. As the largest outlet center in the Czech Republic, Fashion Arena offers discounts on over 200 international and local brands. Shoppers can find deals on fashion, sportswear, and accessories, making it a must-visit for bargain hunters. Number 4. Westfield Chodov. One of the largest shopping centers in Prague, Westfield Chodov boasts over 300 shops, including high-end fashion brands, a variety of restaurants, and a state-of-the-art cinema. Its modern architecture and extensive selection make it a premier shopping destination. Number 3. Quadrio Shopping Center. Situated above the Národní třída metro station, Quadrio is a modern shopping center offering a variety of shops, restaurants, and services. Its central location and diverse retail options make it a convenient spot for shoppers. Number 2. Arcady Pankráč. Located in the Pankráč district, Arcady Pankráč offers a modern shopping experience with over 140 shops, including fashion boutiques, electronic stores, and a variety of dining options. Its sleek design and diverse retail offerings make it a favorite among locals and tourists alike. Number 1. Palladium. Located at the city center, Palladium is Prague's premier shopping destination. This 5-story mall offers a wide range of choices to shop and eat in its shops, restaurants, and cafes.